Alright, bet y'all. So I'm back on with another trade. So I'm in GJ right now. I kind of got on the charts late because I had to deal with a tire early this morning, but I really didn't miss anything. So boom, this is what I was looking at. All this liquidity and shit. GJ is not really moving like this shit. This is bullshit right now. I'm kind of seeing that, okay, it took out this right here, broke, retested into this gap. Even though that's what it's just been doing this whole time, I feel like sooner or later it's gonna either, feel me, find that push and break out of this little range right here. I was thinking that it's gonna go down because why is it consolidating at right here? You feel me? It just broke this. You feel me? Nah, there's no way it's just gonna stay right there the whole day or go up anymore. But if it does, it does. Cause look how bullish it is. Look at all these candles from last week. Like, hey, that shit kind of bullish. But I feel like it's been going up so much that now it needs a retest. So it might want to take out some lows from last week or, have a bearish week, something like that. But I know it's not any news today. Yeah, it's not any news. So, yeah, this shit kind of just based on time. Once again, another trade based on time. This shit look bad on MT4. Damn. Fuck, DJ. Can we not start the week off like this? I'm finna enter another. Never fucking mind. I wanted to enter another position, but I waited too late. Just entered two more positions down here. Up here in drawdown. Shit, we're gonna let that play. I'm trying to see what's going to happen. Cause if I sell up here, that means we in a premium. We selling at a premium, so we could take out this discount and then just keep buying. I'm sorry, we can keep selling to probably, you feel me, take out, you feel me, shit down there. But it's little whatever. It ain't really, can't really call it, you can call it supplies, but this shit you gotta just hold for 1-to-1, maybe a little below 1-to-1, because it's just ranging. It's just coming back, making zones, coming back, you feel me? Yeah. I feel like since it's gonna be 9 o'clock, we might get some more volume to just break it. Alright. Look at that. 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 Oh, don't look at that. Don't look at that. Look at that. I said 9 o'clock will probably have some type of something. That's all I'm looking for right there. Little 20 pips. Let's get it. Let's get it. That's a big dub. Whoa. It don't take you out? Hold on. It don't take you out? It don't take you out? Oh, okay. Yeah. What the fuck was that? I said it, bro. I literally called it. It's still going. I'm gonna just get into a little breakdown. I might take another trade. I don't know yet. But honestly, what I seen, you see how I got this little daily level right here, right? So if I remove it just to make it clear, this right here is just wicking. It's wicking. Like, it's nothing else going on. Right there, it's just on the higher time frame, on the daily time frame, it's wicking. 4-hour time frame. You feel me? It took out this and it. Well, it took out this shit. No, it did take out that. It took out these little highs, but it's still liquidity right here. So it's like when the market had opened and closed, when it closed on Friday into when it opened yesterday, it's just been going up. No retracements, no nothing. Nothing has been happening. So I'm like, okay, it's on a support, resistance, or whatever. It needs to retrace back to something. You know what I'm saying? So I just want to take a little small position and take out the liquidity that was right there on the support just because I am a scalper. So 20 to 30 pips, maybe 60 pips, just depending on how the day is. That's all I need for the day. Damn, to retrace back to something. And once I got in the trade, it was like what, 8 something, 8:40. So I got on 5 minute time frame. So I'm like, I just had the stops above all of these. At first, my stops was right at 10 pips. But then I'm just like, nah, we just gonna bring it up. I think it's at 15, something like that. Yeah, so I seen this gap. Honestly, this is why I got in. I got in because of this gap right here, right? So you do have what, this is a supply. That's a supply right there, but I didn't really trade off of that. I traded off the gap, but it still tapped into the supply. A 9 o'clock came, 9 o'clock candle. This is the 9 o'clock candle. Boom. Hey, but I don't know if I'm gonna get back in. I don't know. This mug's gonna tank. I know it is. Cause boy, I even like up here I entered more positions because it was just playing around. Like when it first tapped into it and this whole thing was bullish. I mean bearish. Damn. The whole thing was bearish. So I'm like, nah, I'm gonna enter more positions once it retraced back up here a little bit more. Then the candle closed and hey, the rest is history.